We've all had that sinking feeling, watching liquid spread across a laptop keyboard, knowing everything might be lost in an instant. This laptop had suffered serious liquid damage from what looked like a coffee spill. The device was completely dead, but inside was years of work, files and memories the owner couldn't afford to lose. They brought it to Payam Data Recovery, hoping for a miracle. Hey, it's Mike here, watching one of Payam's data recovery engineers diagnose and fix this damaged MacBook A1707. To start, he carefully opened the MacBook and began his assessment. He immediately checked the main power relay, measuring for 12 volts with a multimeter. The critical question, was the power line shorting? Liquid damage often creates short circuits that make recovery impossible, but this time there was no shorting. That meant they could proceed with an advanced recovery method. The specialist connected what they call a lifeboat, a specialized device that bypasses all the damaged circuitry and connects directly to the NAND storage chip where all the data lived. This lifeboat was then connected to another working MacBook, creating a bridge to access the damaged machine's storage. When the connection worked, a password prompt appeared on screen. He entered the password and suddenly they had access to everything. From there, they began cloning all the data to safety. The specialist explained this method only works on two specific models, the A1707 and the A1706, and requires proprietary tools and expertise. What seemed like a total loss from a simple coffee spill became another successful case study in how the experts can bring back what matters most. Payam Data Recovery serves Australia-wide with office locations, plus mail-in services for international customers. Thanks for watching.